Technology today is evolving at a rapid pace, enabling faster change and progress, causing an acceleration of the rate of change. However, it is not only technology trends and emerging technologies that are evolving. A lot more has changed this year due to the outbreak of COVID-19, making IT professionals realize that their role will not stay the same in the contactless world tomorrow. And an IT professional in 2021-22 will constantly be learning, unlearning, and relearning, out of necessity if not desire. What does this mean for you? It means staying current with emerging technologies and latest technology trends. And it means keeping your eyes on the future to know which skills you'll need to know to secure a safe job tomorrow and even learn how to get there. All bows to the worldwide pandemic. Most of the global IT population is sitting back, working from home. And if you wish to make the most of your time at home, here are the top 9 emerging technology trends you should watch for and make an attempt at in 2022, and possibly secure one of the jobs that will be created by these new technology trends. That includes artificial intelligence and machine learning, robotic process automation, RPA, edge computing, quantum computing, virtual reality and augmented reality, blockchain, Internet of Things, IoT, 5G, cybersecurity. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has already received a lot of buzz in the past decade, but it continues to be one of the new technology trends because of its notable effects on how we live, work and play are only in the early stages. AI is already known for its superiority in image and speech recognition, navigation apps, smartphone personal assistants, ride-sharing apps and so much more. To determine underlying connections and insights, to help predict demand for services like hospitals, enabling authorities to make better decisions about resource utilization, and to detect the changing patterns of customer behavior by analyzing data in near real-time, driving revenues and enhancing personalized experiences. The AI market will grow to a $190 billion industry by 2025, with global spending on cognitive and AI systems reaching over $57 billion in 2022. With AI spreading its wings across sectors, new jobs will be created in development, programming, testing, support and maintenance, to name a few. On the other hand, AI also offers some of the highest salaries today, ranging from over $125,000 per year, machine learning engineer, to $145,000 per year, AI architect, making it the top new technology trend you must watch out for. Machine learning, the subset of AI, is also being deployed in all kinds of industries, creating a huge demand for skilled professionals. Forrester predicts AI, machine learning, and automation will create 9% of new U.S. jobs by 2025, jobs including robot monitoring professionals, data scientists, automation specialists, and content curators, making it another new technology trend you must keep in mind too. Mastering AI and machine learning will help you secure jobs like AI research scientist, AI engineer, machine learning engineer, AI architect too. Robotic process automation, RPA. Like AI and machine learning, robotic process automation, or RPA, is another technology that is automating jobs. RPA is the use of software to automate business processes such as interpreting applications, processing transactions, dealing with data, and even replying to emails. RPA automates repetitive tasks that people used to do. Although Forrester Research estimates RPA automation will threaten the livelihood of 230 million or more knowledge workers, or approximately 9% of the global workforce, RPA is also creating new jobs while altering existing jobs. McKinsey finds that less than 5% of occupations can be totally automated, but about 60% can be partially automated. For you as an IT professional looking to the future and trying to understand latest technology trends, RPA offers plenty of career opportunities, including developer, project manager, business analyst, solution architect and consultant. And these jobs pay well. An RPA developer can earn over 534,000 rupees per year, making it the next technology trend you must keep a watch on. Mastering RPA will help you secure high-paying jobs like RPA developer, RPA analyst, RPA architect. Technology trend is IoT. Many things are now being built with Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning they can be connected to the internet and to each other. Hence, the Internet of Things, or IoT. The Internet of Things is the future, and has already enabled devices, home appliances, cars and much more to be connected to and exchange data over the internet. As consumers, we're already using and benefiting from IoT. We can lock our doors remotely if we forget to when we leave for work and preheat our ovens on our way home from work, all while tracking our fitness on our Fitbits. However, businesses also have much to gain now and in the near future. The IoT can enable better safety, efficiency and decision-making for businesses as data is collected and analyzed. It can enable predictive maintenance, speed up medical care, improve customer service, and offer benefits we haven't even imagined yet. And we're only in the beginning stages of this new technology trend. Forecasts suggest that by 2030 around 50 billion of these IoT devices will be in use around the world, creating a massive web of interconnected devices spanning everything from smartphones to kitchen appliances. The global spending on the Internet of Things, IoT, is forecast to reach $1.1 trillion in 2022. New technologies such as 5G is expected to drive market growth in the coming years. And if you wish to step foot in this trending technology, you will have to learn about information security, AI and machine learning fundamentals, networking, hardware interfacing, data analytics, automation, understanding of embedded systems, and must have device and design knowledge.